Hi guys, Sandy Ingram here. Welcome to the Edu Matrix channel. In today's video, we are going to look at the overall summary of Forex currencies that are recommended for purchase and investment during the month of September. Now, the IQD and the VND are not at the top of the list for international currency investors. However, the Vietnam dong and the Iraqi dinar are at the top of our list, and that is what we will start with. Are you ready?
Alongside the big currencies, which we will discuss in a moment, two currencies worth noting are the Iraqi dinar and the Vietnamese dong. Iraq is getting more foreign investment and making big plans to build its economy, especially with projects like the Development Road, which is making people more hopeful about the dinar's future. Vietnam's currency is also looking stronger thanks to its booming exports, factories, and growing role in global trade. While these currencies don't move as freely as others, the outlook for both the dinar and the dong is more positive than it has been in years. Right now, a lot of people are paying attention to how different currencies around the world are moving against the US dollar. The dollar has been getting weaker because many expect the US Federal Reserve, which is the central bank, to cut interest rates soon. When the dollar weakens, other currencies often rise in value compared to it. The British pound is one of the strongest this month. Experts think it could go above $1.38 and maybe even reach $1.40 for every pound. This is because the dollar has lost strength, while the UK's economy looks steady. The euro is also moving higher. It started the month above $1.17 and could push closer to $1.18 if US economic numbers come in weak. Traders are watching closely and, many believe the euro still has room to grow. The Chinese yuan is another currency that's getting stronger. It's moving closer to 7 yuan per US dollar, helped by the idea that the US will cut rates soon. The Australian dollar is also rising, supported by higher demand for riskier investments and strong global trade. Several Asian currencies like the Singapore dollar, Korean won, and Thai baht are also doing well because honestly their economies are stable. Not all currencies are gaining though. The Indian rupee is still weak, hovering near record lows. It's struggling with tariffs, less foreign investment, and some long-term economic issues. A big reason all of this is happening is because the US dollar itself is on the decline. An index that measures the dollar's strength has been falling, hitting its lowest levels in weeks. Concerns about the independence of the US Federal Reserve and political drama in Washington have made the dollar less attractive to investors.